Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jenna. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. Welcome to day 18 of my Unboxing My Advent Calendar series. If you haven't seen the other ones of the series, I will post the link up above so you can go check out the playlist of me unboxing the rest of my Advent calendars. I have 3 of them. I have the Joe and Steph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar, the 24 Days of Tea by David's Tea, and the 24 Days of Belk, or 24 Days of Beauty by Belk. I hope you guys are enjoying this series and hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and let's get started. So we are going to start with the 24 Days of Tea by David's Tea today, and this is what the inside of it looks like if you guys are new here. So we're on day 18, which is right here. Alright. It's called Blood Orange Boost. I will look on the back where it has all the information of the tea and let you guys know what's in it. It is a low caffeine tea. It has apple, green tea, hibiscus blossoms, orange peel, rosemary, natural blood orange flavoring, GABA green tea, roasted chicory root, orange pieces, olive leaves, and stevia extract. I'm excited to try this one out. I will post a video of me trying it now and let you guys know what my thoughts are. Alright. So this is the Blood Orange Boost. Like I said, one complaint is that this is the first container this has happened to, but the top wouldn't come off. So my boyfriend had to break into it for me so I wouldn't hurt myself, but he did that for me so we could at least try it. I got a new steeper for Christmas. It's this little doggy, so let me know if you have a name for him or the sloth down below, because I think they need a name because they're adorable. But it smells to the tea about the tea. It smells delicious. It is very orangey and citrusy, and yeah, I'm excited to try it, so bottoms up. Ooh, this tastes like the orange Tazo tea, but better. Like, it's very citrusy, very orangey specifically. I really enjoy this type of tea, so I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10 because I really like this tea. So, yeah, that's my final decision. I'm probably going to drink this entire thing. Alright, so now we are on to the 24 Days of Beauty by Belk. This is what the inside of it looks like, and 18 is this big number right down here. I've completely mutilated this box. I have no idea what this is, but it looks like an exfoliator or something. But I'm excited to try it out. I feel like this is the whole story with this box. I have no idea what half the stuff is for, but I'm going to make it work and try it out and see what happens with it. Blood. That's what I got out of the beauty box today. And last but not least, we have the Joe and Steph's calendar. This is what the inside of it looks like. And we are on day 18, which is up here in the corner. Alright, it's the toffee, apple, and cinnamon. I don't think I've tried this flavor yet, so I will put a video of me trying it in now and let you guys know what I think of it. Alright, so like I said, the popcorn for today is the toffee, apple, and cinnamon. It smells like the apple cinnamon, or the same type of like apple and cinnamon flavor that we've tried before. Oops. Again, tastes just like before, very appley, very cinnamony. It's a little bit chewier than the other ones. I'm assuming that's because of the toffee. I give this an 8 out of 10. I really like it. I think the flavor is there. Just the popcorn I could see myself buying again, so that's why I'm going to give it an 8. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are enjoying this series as much as I am. I will see you guys back here tomorrow for day 19 of this series. Make sure you follow me on all my social media so you guys can stay up to date of when I post. I am on Instagram at miss_Jenna D_, on Twitter at Jenna D Miss, and on Facebook at miss_Jenna D. Until tomorrow, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and yeah, I love you guys. Bye!